Hey there all, Retro Rob here, and today I'm not going to be covering a gaming device. Oh no, but I am going to be charged with a device. Oh no, because I'm Hey there all, get this right. Hey there all, Retro Rob here. You do not know how many takes I've made of this. But anyway, today I am not reviewing a handheld game system. No gaming stuff of any kind, because today I've got this, the Seneo 7.5 watt fast wireless charge stand for your iPhone. And I do have an iPhone. Anyway, they sent me this for review, and that, man, I just bought like 1 week before this showed up. I just bought one. Not this model though, because I don't have an iWatch.
Apple Watch.
And I don't have earbuds. My son has
Apple Watch,
so we can test that. But anyway, yeah, I bought one because my last iPhone actually had problems with the charge port, and it would not regularly charge, so you'd have to kind of wiggle it in there. And yeah, of course I cleaned it out, and it just was not working properly anymore, and it caused my phone to be unreliable, which is why I needed a new phone. So I decided on this one, I'm just going to wirelessly charge it. That way I'm not going to have problems with the port should I need to use it, because I still don't have a wireless charger in my truck. One of these days maybe I'll get that too. I'm talking a whole lot, but anyway, the whole point of this is we're going to take a look at this, see how the construction is, how it looks, and we'll do a little charging with it, make sure that works okay. But as we always do, we're going to start with the front of the box. Fast wireless charger stand. Fast charging. I think they want us to know something. Magic connector, nightstand mode, cable storage, and case friendly. Actually, case friendly is a good thing, because very often you put on a case and it won't fit in the dock. That happened with my Nintendo DS. It was really annoying. So, okay, case friendly actually has a good feature. It says the same thing on the left side of the box. The top and the bottom of the box look like this. So let's go on to the back of the box. Seneo fast wireless charger stand. Need QC 3.0 quick adapter for fast charging, a 5 volt 2 amp adapter for standard charging. Apple 5 watt adapter may not work well. I think we're using the 7 now on the new one, 7.5, aren't they? Anyway, we'll find out. This diagram shows where all the stuff goes. I think you can figure it out by yourself though. It's pretty simple. Do not throw this item in the garbage. Let's open it up. Get up, get open. There is the base. And we're all about the base here. Here's the rest of the base. Here's the part that I'm using right now. Well, a variant of it. Get open! I can do this. Here's the other half of it. Oh look, they snap together. Look at that. So if I don't want to use this part, I don't have to. That it? There's a cord right here. Wireless charger, wireless life. I could be part of the VIP club. And there's that. Next we have additional silicone pad for the iPhone, it looks like, or iWatch. Wait a second. Little 3M thing. It's actually 3M. Not even knockoff. Oh, so this goes down. Looks like it goes down here just to give it a little area to rest on. Interesting. Showed you the cable earlier. Let's see. What is the quality of the cable? It is made out of fairly decent plastic. It's about, I would say, 3 feet long. And yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, no significant quality issues that I can determine. And I have seen lots of cables. There's a user guide card thing. There we go. I'm like the best presenter ever. Step 1, make sure your mobile phone supports wireless charging, QI, wireless charging. Make sure to use a supplied USB cable. Check the adapter is a QC2 or QC3 quick charger or not. Apple 5-watt adapter will work, but not their favorite. Check your phone case thickness. Make sure, yeah, you can't do an iPad, obviously. They don't wirelessly charge. Had that conversation with my wife. And here, oh nice. Look at that. Don't use that cheap low quality adapter. I kind of like that they do that. Cool. All right, so step 1, I am going to place their USB-C cable in. Set that aside. Part 2 is a little more complicated, so I'm gonna go grab my son's
Apple Watch.
All right, so let's put in the Apple Watch cable. Here, I'm gonna put it through here. All right. And the curved part goes out. Then you just snap it in. Now, notice it feels like it might be tough to get out, but you can just push it with the back of your finger with a little bit of force, and it will pop out. Man, this is harder to do on camera. And it will pop out, so you don't have to worry about losing it in there. I was a little worried the first time. And then you are supposed to neatly coil it up. And, whoops. Neatly, I say, coil it up. Plug this in right here. Ugh, got it upside down. I've got it upside down again. There's only 2 ways that a USB cable can be put in, yet why is it that it takes you 4 tries to get it right? There we go. Neatly placed. And by the way, in the instructions it says neatly place. And then we put the cover back on. And then it attaches to the charger. And then we put the I'm sorry, I always want to call it iWatch, the Apple Watch on thusly. And I can, wait, put this down here. To better hold it. Oh, you know what I should have done? They don't show which way it goes. I'm going to assume it goes this way. But I could be wrong, so if you know better, let me know. There we go. And I believe we have a win here. Alright, quick talk about plastics. The top is a glossy plastic. The bottom has kind of this frosted look to it. It's pretty solid. There's a little bit of a give, but not a whole lot. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. Looks pretty decent. These are the connectors for connecting the dock. Going around to the back, we've got the charge port, which you plug their USB-C cable into, and then you plug the other end into the Apple charger. And here's the left side, and the bottom has rubber feet. Alright, now we're looking at the Apple Watch and AirPods Pro dock. This of course locks onto the charger, just kind of magnetically locks onto it. You can pull it away if you're not using it. It is kind of a rubbery feeling kind of plastic, so it's a different plastic from what's used on this, and you can see physically they look different a little bit, which I think kind of gives it a a cool look to it. But that's just me. Here is the port for the AirPods, and you can actually, if you look, there's a little arrow, you can twist this out and bring it out if you want to change out that connector. Here's the right side, the back, and there's the docking side of it. Then on the bottom, you've got one big rubber foot and two little ones. And then you open this up, and this is how you feed the cable for your Apple Watch. Or iWatch, as I keep calling it. What the heck is with me?
Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, or I will go Skynet on your butt.
Alright, so here is, oops, my phone. And as you can see, that's charging. And the watch is charging. And the watch is charging. And now, since I don't have any earbuds, I'm going to plug in my wife's phone. And see that craziness? I have them all charging at one time. That is not a recommended configuration, but it works. And that's it for the Seneo Wavestand 191 charger. So you can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your earbuds at the same time, or just stack another phone on top of it. I don't think you should probably do that. But anyway, pretty cool. I think the construction's decent. It's definitely functional. I'm going to give this over to my son who has an iWatch, or Apple Watch. See, did it again. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. If you're looking for this, I've got a link on Amazon down below for it. Bye.